Please welcome Anika Sandhwani. She is the daughter of Kavya ma'am. Anika?
Hello everyone.
Hello
Can you
Anika.
hear me?
Hello.
Yes, you are audible.
Hello everyone. My name is Anika. I study in grade 6 and I'm 11 years old. I have been a storyteller on IKMG radio, and I will be presenting one of my stories which I have written, which is The Hidden Talent. Let's start. Fear, fear, fear. Fear was the only obstacle which stopped Lakshya from reaching her goal. He was very good at cooking and always wanted to open her own restaurant or at least her food truck. Unfortunately, her mother had a severe brain stroke since Lakshya was 16, because of which the left side of her mom's body was paralyzed. One morning, when she was feeding her mother, someone knocked the door. She was not willing to go and open the door. She just shouted, "Hurry, 8 minutes!" She did not hurry. She patiently fed her mother and then she went and opened the door. He heard a voice from the sky. "You have everything, you have everything, you have everything." And that kept echoing the whole day. The next day, she heard, "Confidence, confidence, confidence." She kept hearing these kind of words again and again, and one day she just went out of the house taking some brownies, spring rolls, and a box of noodles and disposable boxes. Still, the fear and nervousness sat in her. Within hours, all her noodles, brownies, and etc. were sold off. She was busy making bills, putting the stuff into the boxes, and forgot all about the nervousness and the fear. When she showed her mother the empty boxes and the box of money, this was it. It was when her mother had left the body parts working, and now she was earning, her mom was healthy, her fear had turned to joy. Lakshya had found her Lakshya. Now I would like to tell the moral of the story in Hindi. तुम्हारा जय ही तुम्हारा लक्ष्य ढूंढेगा. Thank you.
Superb, Anika.
बहुत
It was
बहुत
बहुत
really
बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया.
marvelous. You know, the way you have presented the story, and most importantly, your storyline, the way you conveyed the message, that Lakshya, and two things that you mentioned, that he heard the voices. Number one, you have everything. Number two, the confidence that he used to hear. Now that her mother, his mother, or anyone who's saying that, it was really nice. And at such a younger age, you are doing this, like the way you recited everything, the narration was perfect. And lots of love to you, Anika, and I wish you grow and you also improve everything so fast. At KTR, you're always welcome, and I would really like other participants as well: Sonia ma'am, Shivam sir, Mohsin sir, Mohit sir, Aruna ma'am, everyone who are joined us today. Please do appreciate her. I guess she really did a nice job regarding her age. Like, definitely nice.
ये सच में बहुत अच्छा काम था और काफी श्रेय इनकी मम्मी को भी जाता है.
Definitely.
इन्होंने इस तरीके से बच्चों की ग्रूमिंग की है तो हर तरीके से बच्चे सोच सकते हैं, लिख सकते हैं, बोल सकते हैं. बहुत अच्छा कॉन्फिडेंस था और मुझे लगता है कि ये बच्ची बहुत आगे जाएगी और भगवान करे बहुत ज्यादा ही आगे जाए.
बहुत ही बढ़िया था. इनफैक्ट जो स्टोरी लाइन चल रही थी तो ऐसे लग रहा है कि रेडियो में सब सुनते हैं वैसे
जी.
वैसे चल रहा था कि एक बच्ची कहानी सुना रही है, लास्ट में मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी बोला है. तो शी हैज बीन ट्रेन्ड सो परफेक्टली कि हम लोगों के पास ऐसे कुछ चीज नहीं कि उसको बताना चाहिए कि हाँ तुझे इसमें चेंजेस होना चाहिए या तुम्हें ऐसे बोलना चाहिए. बिल्कुल नहीं. बस इतना कहूंगी कि अब तुम और पढ़ते जाना, लोगों को अच्छा सुनते जाना, तो जैसे तुम ग्रूम होती जाओगी तो एक परफेक्ट लिटिल काव्या जो बड़ी होके मम्मी के जैसे काव्या बनेगी.
Definitely.
Thank you.
मैं काव्या के लिए बस इतना ही कहना चाहूंगी कि ये कहते हैं ना, कड़ी दर कड़ी, पीढ़ी दर पीढ़ी एक रिवाज चला आ रहा है। तो आपने सीखा अपने नाना जी से, और फिर आपकी बेटी ने आपको आपके अतीत से मिलाया, आपकी पहचान कराई, आपको एनकरेज किया, और आज वो आपको खुद को देख के अपने नाना जी का आशीर्वाद, और फिर आपकी छत्र छाया में, आपकी अपब्रिंगिंग में अपने आप को जिस तरह से प्रोत्साहित कर रही है, और इतनी छोटी सी उम्र में उसके इतने सुंदर ख्याल हैं, इतने बुलंद ख्याल हैं, तो मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा। वेरी गुड काव्या, कीप इट अप, यू आर अ रॉक स्टार।
Yeah, thank you. Her name is Anika,
Anika,
and
Anika.
basically,
सॉरी
no
माय
worries.
बैड।
So basically, इसकी जो नानी है, मेरी mom, she has been motivating her a lot in telling, and
Okay.
she actually brought her up this talent. She writes so well. Why not you put her up on IKMG radio, and then तो हाँ, मेरी मम्मी जो इस समय YouTube चैनल से जुड़ी हुई हैं, नॉक टॉक रॉक के, और वो देख रही हैं, शायद सुन रही होंगी वो। And Shivika ji, she has a request if she can tell one more story. I mean, if you have.
Sure. As all the participants have done their artwork here, so Anika, you can continue.
लगता है कला आपके खून में ही है।
बेशक।
So, we all know that many people in India are disabled, right? And there are people who are disabled but have better talent than people who have qualities than people who are not disabled.
Right.
So, this is a story about a girl who was disabled, but she achieved something she really wanted to. And the story's name is Nina Sherwin.
Okay.
So let's start. After losing her queen, still sitting with a lot of hope in the national chess competition was Nina. Cheering for her in the crowd of about 2 lakh people were Mrs. and Mr. Narendra. Nina looked at the timer. 3 minutes 45 seconds. Then struck the idea to Nina's mind of killing Mr. Kunal's rook. But at the same moment, he killed Nina's. Now Nina grew tensed. But still, she had the option of killing the queen, but with risk. With no other way left, she killed it. Mr. Kunal tried every single kitty from his intelligent tricks, but he could not achieve anything. At the end, with no option left, he had to cheat. But when he tried so, people and the judges sitting in the front tried to disqualify him. Now he had nothing left, he gave up. The whole crowd started to shake their hands for this 21-year-old. But why did they shake their hands and not clap? Because this 21-year-old village girl who won in the national chess competition was unfortunately deaf. With eyes filled with tears, picking up her crutches, suffering from polio from the age of 2, Nina made the whole nation proud. The moral of this story is that your disability can never stop you. Your disability will make you grow even more. Thank you.
It was really bodacious. Most importantly, the topics that you have chosen for your story writing, and the moral that you give, it's really nice, Anika. And again, I would say I'm really loving the way you narrate the story. It's really amazing. Sonia, ma'am, you want to say anything?
मैंने तो पहले ही कह दिया कि कला तो इनके खून में ही है, पीढ़ी दर पीढ़ी चलता आ रहा है, और हमें तो आगे चलते चलते बहुत कुछ सुनने को मिलेगा। लेकिन बच्ची का कॉन्फिडेंस, बच्ची का एक जो विजन है वो बहुत ही प्यारा है और बहुत ही क्लियर है। कहीं पे भी आप देखिए उसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन में, उसकी स्पीकिंग लैंग्वेज में, कहीं पे भी ना कहीं घबराहट नहीं है, कहीं भी शब्दों का उतार चढ़ाव नहीं है, एक लय में, एक रिदम में बोलती चली जा रही है।
Exactly.
बहुत अच्छे बच्चे, बहुत अच्छे, बहुत दूर तक जाएंगी आप, हमारे लिए प्रेरणा का स्रोत बनेगी।
Definitely. She's already an inspiration, I guess. I'm really loving the way she recites the words, the flow, and most importantly, the moral and the topic. For me, that really matters a lot, that on which topic you are writing. And because like मेरे पापा कहते हैं कि बंदे के दिमाग में जो चल रहा होता है वो जो पढ़ता है वही चलता है, जो चलता है वही लिखता है. एंड जिन इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक्स पे ये लिख रही हैं और उन्हें प्रेजेंट कर रही है वो बहुत काबिल तारीफ है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स हैट्स ऑफ टू हर पेरेंट्स एज वेल, हर मदर, नानी जी जो कि यूट्यूब से देख रही है. यू गाइस आर डूइंग अ अमेजिंग वर्क. सच में बहुत अच्छे से आप कर रहे हैं. एंड माई बेस्ट विशेस टू यू अनिका.
This topic was given by my school as a project, so I
Okay.
just wrote it and presented it.
It was nice. It was really nice. Right. Well, I guess now everyone done with their performances.